Hello, I'm Paul Allen with the Chef's View. And you might notice something right behind me, which I'll tell you I'm super duper duper excited about. RAK Porcelain has gifted me 4 boxes of goodies inside. A little bit of my background. I was a graduate of the Culinary Institute of America in Hyde Park, New York. Then I became a yacht chef and I toured the world for about 14 years, cooking for the rich and famous on private yachts. In the beginning of my journeys, I kind of thought the most expensive ingredient was the best ingredient, and then I realized the local ingredient is the best ingredient. So a little background on RAK Porcelain. So I met Tina Davis at the World Food Championships last year in Indianapolis. And we drummed up a little relationship, started talking about plateware and chef stuff. Super awesome lady. She's one of the representatives of RAK Porcelain. And then I met her again at the final table in Bentonville, Arkansas, where I was led by Jack Mack, and we were with Juwan Rice, and I got to be a sous chef, and we made 6 in the world, so that's pretty cool. And I'll tell you, it's been like Christmas every single day since I've been waiting for this unboxing. It's been about 4 days, and they've just been sitting in my front doorstep, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what is inside them? What's inside these boxes? So we get to see together. Let's go. Here we are, the moment of truth, the RAK Porcelain unboxing. I couldn't be more excited. All right. Dude, you have no idea how exciting this is. Oh my gosh, Tina Davis and RAK Porcelain, thank you so much. This is so exciting. Look at all this. Are we ready? Are we ready to do this? I'm gonna start with this one because it's right in front of me. It says, Unpack Creativity. Oh, that's gorgeous. Stunning. Different kind of box. Oh my gosh. So here's the deal with this plate. Like, maybe you look at it, it seems like a plate, but the thinness of this plate, oh my gosh, it's like fine crystal that you drink out of, has a thin lip. And like this, it's so beautiful, I almost don't want to use it, but I'm gonna use it. And white is the absolute most gorgeous plate to really accent all your food with the different colors, the bright reds, the bright oranges. I'm not throwing these boxes, these are just too special. Now I gotta pick a different size. We're going in this right here. Hey, make sure it's RAK. If it doesn't say RAK, it's not the real thing. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at that. This is for sauces when you come up and you put a sauce like, ah! Tina Davis, oh my gosh, thank you. Heavenly. So this right here, uses I could do with this, but that's what I'm imagining. Like a set of 12. There's a set of 12. Oh my God. Are you catching this? Are you seeing this on camera? Do you see what that looks like? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Like that, I've never seen a plate like that. Food shine and pop. Like I want to show you pictures right now of some of my dishes when you have a nice, beautiful white plate. And this one right here, it has like a gentle slope. So this is flat from here all the way to here. That's completely flat. And then you just have your gentle slope here. So typically on this lip right here, you're not going to put anything on this lip. Like the presentation is going to be all right here. And so that's a big space to work with right there. Have the gourmet deep plate, which what I would assume this right here is the gourmet deep plate. Beautiful. I mean, this is fit for a king. This is like if the President of the United States was eating out of a deep plate, this is what the President would eat out of. And then we have the coupe plate. So this is the coupe. C-O-U-P-E, coupe plate. Absolutely beautiful. This is so pretty. RAK Porcelain, Tina Davis, you have absolutely outdone yourself. This is crazy. You make me feel like I have made it. You make me feel like we've taken it to the next level. Like, this is cool. This is the biggest gifting that we've ever had in the career of the Chef's View. We got a set of 12 of everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This has been absolutely amazing. These dishes are stunning. I feel like you could literally take Kraft macaroni and cheese, put it in this bowl, and serve it to someone, and they'd be like, oh my gosh. We will not be serving Kraft macaroni and cheese out of this bowl, but I cannot wait to take some beautiful videos and photos of all of the different foods that we are going to put in all of these different things. This is truly taking me to the next level, but definitely hit up RAK Porcelain, no matter what country you're in. I feel like they can ship it to you and elevate your game. Thank you so much, RAK Porcelain and Tina Davis. I don't even know what to say.